So I've decided to come down and spend the day in a hide. Now, it's not something I normally do. I try not to do hides that often, but I just feel like just lost the mojo of getting out and finding stuff a little bit. So I'm doing a little bit of a pickup, getting out. It's going to be a beautiful day, and the theme of today is the Sparrowhawks. So really looking forward to just spending a day, a sunny day actually, a sunny dry day out in a hide photographing some wildlife. So yeah, join me today as I spend the day on a very cold but sunny day photographing sparrowhawks. I'm hoping to spend the day tomorrow then editing this video, getting it up, because then I'm off to Scotland for 5 days, having a great time up there. Got a talk to do in Inverness to a camera club, and then back here again. Got a couple of projects coming up, and then back out to Scotland at the end of the month to photograph the wildlife again, running 2 workshops over a week. So looking forward to that. And I've just changed my GoPro to the DJI Osmo 3. So I'm hoping that all this to camera work actually works. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you in the hide, and let's photograph some sparrowhawks. Tucked away in a quiet corner of West Cumbria is the Cumbria woodland photography hide near Cockermouth. It has earned a reputation as one of the premier spots in the northwest for capturing intimate, high quality images of British woodland birds. Run by its dedicated owners, Linda and Stephen, this purpose-built facility offers a front row seat to the daily dramas of the woods. So whether you're a seasoned pro with a 600mm prime lens or an enthusiast looking to sharpen your fieldcraft, here's what you can expect from a day in the hide. While the sparrowhawks provide the adrenaline at the hide, you can be rest assured that a steady stream of woodland birds ensures your shutter is rarely quiet. The hide is designed with a changeable perch system, allowing for varied backgrounds of natural looking compositions throughout the season. Common visitors to the hide are blue tits, great tits, and the photogenic long-tailed tits, often arriving in small groups. As well, we have the brightly coloured bullfinches, male and female, and the chaffinches of course. But also be on the lookout for nuthatches and tree creepers, known for their unique way of navigating up the bark of the tree, and the perches. And let's not forget our woodland favourite, the great spotted woodpecker.
I've just come out to stretch my legs. Been a fantastic morning in the hide. Lots of little birds, great spotted woodpecker, tree creeper, nuthatch, male and female bullfinch, they've been out, and the sparrowhawk has been in as well. And it was really good because sparrowhawk came in, it then was eating some of the chick that was on the thing. It was on the perch, and then was sick, moved off to another perch, and then another sparrowhawk came in. Now I'm not sure if it was the male or the female, but both of them flew off, and then a female came in really briefly, but I just didn't have the right settings on the camera. You know, when you're busy photographing something else and something unexpected then comes in, yes, that was a bit disappointing. But it's still early, it's only 12 o'clock, we're just taking a break, stretching our legs, having something to eat and drink, and then hunker down for the afternoon. But fantastic day, lots going on. Even if you're just photographing the little birds, you know, it's just trying to be a little bit creative or just get really nice images of the garden birds, as it were. But yeah, fantastic day. I need to get a longer stick for me DJI. Yeah, so stretch my legs, get back in the hide, and I'll catch you later.
So the star attraction here at the Cumbrian Woodland Wildlife Photography Hide is clearly the male and female sparrowhawk. Unlike other hides where the raptor sightings can be rare and a bonus, here at this site it is well known for its consistent visits from both the male and female sparrowhawks. Don't be surprised if a brown flash comes in from behind, arriving in total silence as they utilise the natural perches positioned around the hide area by the owners, offering us photographers a rare chance to capture the intense yellow-eyed gaze of these top predators at eye level. And because this hide attracts a high volume of small birds, the sparrowhawk is often hunting. Witnessing the sudden scatter of songbirds is usually the first sign that a hawk is about to land.
Well, that's the end of the day here today down at the wildlife hide. Absolutely fantastic day. I would say a little bird bonanza sort of day, absolutely everywhere. What we have today, I have a think. So we had male and female great spotted woodpecker, tree creeper, blue tits, great tits, coal tits, long-tailed tits, male and female bullfinch, chaffinches, said coltits. A couple of pheasants came in, female pheasants, and male sparrowhawk. And that was our wildlife for the day. Lots of photos, lots of videos. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to make my way home now anyway and get ready to go to Scotland. So I will see you on my next video, which will be from hopefully a snowy Scotland. But from me and the birds, see you on the next one.